Hi guys, so this is my second ever tutorial that I'm making ever. I told my cousin Olivia that I will go ahead and make one special request for her. My tutorial is going to be about DIY at home microneedling. First what I did was I bought the kit from the website. It's called Dr. Pen. What you're going to do is the site is going to ask you a series of questions, and it's going to go ahead and link you to the perfect pen needed for your skincare regimen. So my age is 46 years old, and full disclaimer, face has been washed 3 times and alcohol, everything disinfected, hands and face. I just want to kind of show you, I've been doing microneedling for about a year. No, I'm sorry, about 2 years, and I would just treat myself professionally microneedling once a year. So this is my first year doing my own microneedling at home with an actual microneedling pen. My problem areas are large pores around my nose area and in my cheek area, mainly on the upper part of my cheeks, very large pores. Also, I do have some wrinkles that are starting to form in my forehead area. Other than that, I don't have many wrinkles around my face. It's just going to be mainly the forehead. What the microneedling is going to do is it's going to poke in your first skin layer. It's going to break it and penetrate the hyaluronic acid, which is going to help produce collagen. What the collagen is going to do is going to plump up your skin and give it that fresh glow, and it's going to make your skin look more hydrated, more youthful. It's going to get rid of wrinkles and large pores. If you have your skin surface is rough and you're looking for a more even skin, just the skin texture, it's going to give you that benefit as well. So I'm just going to do a little close-up. Again, no makeup. I washed my face 3 times. I disinfected it with alcohol as well. Other than that, I mean, this is what I look like at 46 years old. And I do think it's not too bad, but I am looking for better results, of course, so I'm going to continue to do this twice a week. So every other week I can go ahead and do my DIY session. So first things first, of course, clean everything, numb, and then clean again. I did numb my face for 30 minutes with this Dr. Cure numbing cream I got on Amazon. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fill my needle head capsule with the hyaluronic acid. That way I can go ahead and get it started. And one first safety rule is you want to make sure that your skin is moist with some hyaluronic acid, because you don't want the skin to be dry as you're passing along your microneedling session. If your skin is dry, you'll run into the possibility of maybe pulling and tearing your skin, which can cause damage and scarring and an infection. So it's really important to make sure that you actually have some sort of hyaluronic acid poured onto it, or just kind of, layer it on a good layer, and make sure that your needle head is new and clean. So I did purchase a pack of disposable needle heads. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get it started. Oh, one thing I also forgot to mention is you want to make sure that you're always going in the correct speed, and the depth levels are going to be different for every area. I always like to keep a reminder of a face map handy. That way I can look at it and change my level of speed and the level of depth. So for an example, you're going to want to make sure on your forehead you go from a depth 0.25 to 5, and your nose is always going to be a 0.25. Around the eyes is 0.25. Cheeks you can go 5, so the cheeks you can go a little bit deeper and faster, and also your cheekbones. You can also microneedle your lips. What they'll do, it'll give your lips a fuller effect. That way they look fresher, fuller, and more vibrant with your lipstick. So yes, let's go ahead and pour in the hyaluronic acid inside the capsule. Here we go, guys. Brand new needle head. Just gonna go ahead and pour that guy in there. See there? Don't need a ton. Go ahead, mommy. Pásame. Brand new needle head. Hands are clean and disinfected with alcohol. Okay. We've got our microneedling pen. She's fully charged, ready to go. Press that button there. So it's got speed 1, speed 2, so forth and so on. And on the top part here, maybe turn that off so you can see that. Maybe it has the level of depth you can change. There we go. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and get started. So far, I'm gonna go ahead, before we get started, I'm just gonna go ahead and layer in some serum on my face so we don't have any skin tearing tonight. Get that forehead. My face is numb. Put as much as you like. There are no rules on this part. I say the more the better. Yeah, I'm missing a piece. 1 second. I just need to pop in my guide. Actually, the needle goes in first. So this is just a border, just to kind of help make sure you don't go too deep, and it's a level of control. So it's just this nice little safety border that goes around the needle head. And you see there, it has this little in grooves. It helps the medication glide through. Actually, what I like to do is double check to make sure my needle is working and that the liquid is coming out. If you turn the head, it releases the liquid. Okay, liquid's coming out. So I just want to make sure that it is open. It's going to release the hyaluronic acid, and we can have that medicine formula push into your skin level. Okay, so far we're going to go ahead and start off with our forehead. And on the forehead, again, we can go to a 0.5. I'm going to go to that 0.5 because I feel like I'm ready for that. Like I said, I'm already numbed up. Even though it says not to go no more than 3 speed, I do like my needles to go fast. I go ahead and bump it up to 4. Sometimes you can go into a 5, but I feel ready to do that. I'm good with that. So I'm just gonna pour a little more, just in case. Also, you're allowed to pass over one area 3 times. I like to first start off with going across. Then I like to go vertical, and then I like to finish it off with the circle motion. So here we go. Slowly, slowly, don't go too fast. You don't have to press down. Just make sure that your pen is straight, not at an angle. Make sure that your face is straight and that your pen is straight. Keep going. It feels like little tiny pinches. It's not super painful. Again, I did numb my face. If I did not use any numbing cream, I'm pretty sure that this would be really painful. But I recommend you using numbing cream. Little tiny pinches is all it feels like. Make sure you really don't have anything going on the next day. Honestly, I really should have done this yesterday. I went to church this morning. I would have went to church without any makeup and just some eye makeup. But I will be going to work tomorrow with my face red in the morning. I am going to bring my makeup bag. More than likely, I'll just put on some makeup around lunchtime. I'll just go ahead and just do my eye makeup and lipstick and just do a little tiny bit of concealer under my eyes. And then maybe after lunchtime, I'll go ahead and go into the ladies' room and put on some foundation and blush. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna now go up and down, or just start from the top and go down. Let's just go ahead and go vertical lines now. Okay. Again, you can pass through one whole area 3 times. You should do this every other week. Twice a month is good. All right, so that's what we're looking like. Just gonna help the hyaluronic acid to come out a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do circular motion. Little tiny circles. I got that one little line that I've been working on. It kind of comes and goes, just depends. Just my little expression line on my forehead. Sometimes you will bleed, that's normal. But just keep my face fresh and more youthful. I kind of have to really take care of my appearance because of the job that I have. I do work in a showroom and I deal with people quite a bit. Just trying to keep, you know, first impression, fresh, neat, clean, professional. And it doesn't hurt to look like you take care of yourself, you know? They say when you look like you take care of yourself, people trust you. So that's nice. Okay. I may have went over a little bit more. So just gonna go ahead and drop some of that hyaluronic acid, rub it in with my fingers. I got some fresh wounds up there on my forehead. So that medicine, or not medicine, that serum can go ahead and get penetrated into that layer. See there? Yeah, that's what we're doing here. We're just breaking that first layer of skin with the needle, and then we're just making sure that the hyaluronic acid is being pushed in. Okay. All right. Okay. That area is done. Next area is going to be our cheeks. It's going to work these cheek areas, cheekbones and cheeks, same level of depth, 0.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on one side. This is the area that I do need work on the most because of my large pores. And again, microneedling is going to help with large pores. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to do speed 5. I think you should also gauge with what you feel comfortable with. Actually, I'm going to go 6. So, okay. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's a little tender. Straight across. Let's do that straight across. There we go. Steady hand, keep that pen straight. Okay, see it getting a little red. That's okay. You don't have to press too hard down. Just go ahead and just glide that pen across your cheek. Okay. You can also use this on your body for scars, believe it or not. Say you got some stretch marks on your stomach, on your arms, your legs. You can definitely use this on your body as well. Just go by the same technique. Just go ahead and make sure you look at the face map when you print it out on the Dr. Pen website. It will allow you to print one. Or you can just Google one or go to Pinterest and find out what the depth is and speed for the body areas. I'm yet to do it on my body. Okay. All right, now we're just gonna go up and down, or just pull down. Now I feel some of that hyaluronic acid coming out. See that? And that's a level 5. Feeling a little dry, and I can see the liquid in there moving a little. Because this is my problem area, I like to really get in there. Now, don't wash your face right away after doing this. I went ahead and purchased some of that 14 karat gold collagen mask that's sitting in the refrigerator. The best thing to do is get you one of those masks and just lay it on your face. And it's nice and cold. That's going to help. Just leave it on your face about 20 minutes. Just lay on the couch, lay on the bed, relax. Almost done with this side. Just want to make sure I really get in there real good. I did have some acne scarring in this area. I noticed ever since I started doing the microneedling, it's been fading. And with the acne scarring, I don't know if maybe you can see, I did have like some acne pits, like they would call them holes in your face from acne. So you can see it when I talk a little bit. That's gonna help. It's gonna help. I had really bad acne growing up as a teenager. I had it so bad I had to take antibiotics. My mom took me to the doctor to go get my face. Look, I'm a little bleeding a little. That's all right. It's just a little blood. That's all right. Not too much. Not too much. Okay. I think I overworked that little area too much, but that's okay. Let's go to the next side. Rub it in. Okay. Straight across. Okay. These are so important to do as a mom. We never ever carve time out for yourselves, and it's just something that I just started doing recently, taking a little bit more time to myself. This is the best way to save money also. I do a lot of things at home to save money when it comes to beauty regimen. I really do just color and cut my own hair. I maybe get a cut at a salon once a year, get a nice little layered bob, and I just kind of maintain it, to be honest. I do my own highlights, my own hair coloring, I trim it, I do my own layering. And I honestly do, not to sound weird, conceited or anything like that, I do get compliments. People are like, oh, your hair is so nice, it's beautifully cut. I'm like, thank you. It's a DIY cut, believe it or not. All right, we're gonna go the other way now. way too if you wanted to. Whatever your hand feels comfortable. But again, about three times you can pass the skin. I maybe went a little bit more on my other side of the face. That's probably why she got a little irritated. Again, that is my problem area, is the large pores on my cheeks. And it's genetic. There's really not too much you can really do, but this does help. They may not go away 100%, but it does make them smaller. I'm gonna do my upper lip just for, and then I will do my chin. I'm going to change the levels for the nose area because the nose is so sensitive. I'm going to go 0.25, which is the smallest. And the nose is so sensitive to pain for me. Everybody's pain tolerance is different. But for me, nah, that is painful. So I just kind of do one of these numbers. Tap, tap, tappy, tap, tap, tappy, tap, tap, tappy. Because I'm not trying to do all that with my nose. I'm going to be crying and tears and, oh, Jesus. Tap, tap, tappy. It's real sensitive. I really should have put some more numbing cream in on my nose, and I don't think I put enough. But, yeah, I have large pores on my nose, too. So I do try to always get the nose area. I try not to neglect it. This is the hard area for me. This is the hardest area. And it's a tough one. Tap, tap, tappy. Kind of debating if I want to do my lips tonight because I wanted to drink some tea. But might as well show you. So I am going to lower the speed down on my lips to a speed 4. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm not pressing, I'm gently like gliding it. This is a tricky area, so you have to be very careful. Don't press down on your lips. Do like a light fluttery on top. And go to the lowest level. It is going to help your lips look fuller. I don't do it all the time. I just do it every so often. So there is another needle head that you can use for under the eye and in the eyebrow area. It's called the nano needle head. I don't have it yet. I'm going to order it because I really want to get in here and I want to get in here going forward. I just wanted to get more used to my overall face area, and then I might dabble into the nano needle head. They also sell that nano needle head at the Dr. Penn website. So this is what I do to save myself $400. I remember when I first got my hydro microneedling session, it was $400. I'm not saying it was a bad investment. It was a wonderful investment. But again, I couldn't see myself spending that much money every 2 months because it adds up. And I said to myself, might as well just go ahead and buy the pen, do it in the privacy and the comfort at my own home. I don't have to call nobody. I don't have to make a schedule. I don't have to give a deposit. I'm telling you, the pen maybe costed no more than $200. There are some on their website that are cheaper, but I do highly recommend you going to the website, taking the quiz, and trying to figure out which one is best for you. And they do have the serums on their website, but I bought my serums from Amazon. All I did was typed in hyaluronic acid for microneedling, and it gave me a few options, and there were quite a bit of really nice options. And I also got the numbing cream from Amazon as well. The most important thing is when you're doing DIY microneedling is to make sure everything is disinfected. Hands are clean. Even wipe down your pen with alcohol. Make sure your face is clean a couple times and then clean it down with alcohol. Your hands, even the bottles that I touch, I wipe it down with alcohol, believe it or not. I got a little spray bottle with alcohol, and again, this is now done. I'm going to go ahead and show you the cooling 14 karat gold mask that I put, and I just sit on my couch and lay back and relax for about 20 minutes. Let me show you what I get. Okay, so this is the Gold Bio Collagen Facial Mask, Amazon as well. Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Facial Mask, specialized facial. It's nice and cold in the fridge. This is the best healing regimen after you're done. So then keep these in your refrigerator, put this on your face, and stay beautiful.